Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. How are you all? I hope you are all doing great. Today's video is going to be a little special for me and hopeful for you too. I usually show you my daily village life and today I am going to do the same, but there's one big difference. Today I am leaving my village and I have some excited news. Today's I am going to take my exam in Jaipur, the big city, one of the major cities in India. Now you might be thinking, why are you so happy about an exam? No, well, honestly, I am not happy about the exam. I am excited because I'll finally get the travel to a big city and explore a little. Have not really traveled far from my home before, so this feels completely different and excited me. I am trying my best to capture as many moments and scenes as possible and show you what the journey from my village to the Jaipur looks like. So stay with the through but the video. First I'm going to take a shower and fresh, have some coffee and then we'll start your journey. Let's go.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name, crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag.
Guys, I honestly don't know what this palace is. Maybe it's a hotel or something. I am here for the first time, but better it is. It looks really beautiful, and look at this amazing white structure. Think this palace is now is Patriya Gate, but
We break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat.
guys, we are arrived at the famous Amer Fort. This fort is known for being incredible, strong, and has a very rich history. I don't know much about its history or the secret behind it, but we are heard that it was especially built by a king. For this is queen. I think his king name was Maharana Raj Singh, but I'm not completely sure. If I am wrong, let me know in.
While laughter echoes through the halls, feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break.
Guys, now we are arrived at Jaipur's most famous palace, the beautiful Hawa Mahal. Don't know exactly why it has so many small windows or the complete history behind it, but I do know that this palace is called Hawa Mahal, and honestly, it looks absolutely beautiful and unique. Guys, now we are arrived at the famous Jal Mahal in Jaipur. You might be wondering, how is this a water palace? Well, it's a 5-story palace, but 4 of its floors are actually underwater. You might also wonder how it was built like this. I we had that when it was originally built there was not water around the palace, but later the area was filled with water, and that's how we become known as Jal Mahal. People come here from all. Guys, now we are heading back home, or actually to my brother's room. It's already night time, and after such an amazing day, we are going to relax and enjoy the rest of the night. We had so much fun today. It was an absolutely amazing experience.
So guys, I am finally back home, and honestly I don't even know how to explain yesterday's experience. It was absolutely amazing. I went to Jaipur for from exam, but to be honest, I felt like I was not there just to take an exam. I was there to explore, travel, eat good food, and enjoy the city. And guess what? Everything turned out even better than I accepted. My brother took me to so many amazing places. We explored, ate some really good food and fun, and just enjoyed the whole day. I've been to Jaipur many times before, but yesterday I experienced the city in a completely different way. Amazing. I saw so many histological mystery palace and learned about stories and things that I had never even imagined were inside Jaipur. I've always been really interested in history, mysteries, mountain, and exploring new palace. Honestly, if you never you ever come to India, you should definitely visit Jaipur. It's such beautiful and stoic city, and after seeing Jaipur, I keep thinking, if this city is amazing, then how incredible must the rest of India be? Traveling is one of my biggest dreams. I want to explore mountain, historical palace, and different cities, different culture, and beautiful location around the world. I don't know if I ever become successful, the travel the way I dream about, but I am working toward it. So all ask your guys is keep supporting me and keep pray to that one day I become capable, to fulfill all the dreams I have in my heart. I don't have too many explore expensive hobbies. I just love good food, traveling, exploring new places, and enjoying life. And where I become successful, I want to do good work along the way and help people as such as I can. I just pray that good given me knows, so that no one who comes to my home ever lives hungry, and so that I never have to sleep hungry either. And most importantly, I never want to hurt anyone. Internally, I want my action to become the reason someone's heart is broken or tears come into the clear eyes. That's the kind of life I want to build. And but honestly, guys, yesterday was just incredible. I had so much fun. I sat with you the best moment and scene from Jaipur that I could capture. This is just a small part of my story, but I hope you enjoy exploring it with me. And you, I want to hear from you. And tell me in the comments what did you like the most about this video, and what kind of video would you like me to make next day. I know today's video may have been little long, but I genuinely enjoy making it, and I hope you enjoy watching it too. If you like then video, please hit the like button. Even one like give a lot of motivation. Keep going. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and become a part of this journey. Thank you so much watching and supporting me, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.